Of late, X has been aggressively defaulting to the For You feed regardless of what users were viewing last. Typically, even if you close or refresh the page, X would respect your preferences and would remain on the tab you last used. But now, the platform is resetting to the algorithmic feed every time you refresh the page or open a new tab. This change of opening For You by default instead of following has been met with a heavy backlash. As far as we have tested, the feed sticks to following on both the Android as well as iOS app. However, it reverts to the For You tab on desktop. Users speculate the glitch arrived with a new X Premium Business button, suggesting a broader UI update might have reset or broken the persistence settings. So far, there was no official workaround other than clicking the tab manually every time, but now AI chatbot Grok is suggesting the complainants to try the control panel for Twitter extension for hiding the For You tab. It has been confirmed by multiple users that the plugin does the required trick. So, until the platform comes up with an official word on the matter, we don't know yet if it's a bug or a deliberate feature, but at least we have a way out for those not liking this change. Give it a try and let us know how the plugin worked for you.